Hi, I'm Jasmine Christensen and I'm the KW Cares Committee President. Every year on the second Thursday of May, Keller Williams closes its doors and shuts down worldwide for our annual day of service. This year, we will be partnering with Habitat for Humanity to rebuild a home for a family here in Utah County. This is Alan. He's the Executive Director of the Utah County affiliate for Habitat for Humanity.
Hi, so we have a project in Orem that we're so grateful that you guys are going to be a partner with us on. And it's a family here that contacted us that had extensive repairs that they needed on their home. And after a lot of due diligence, we kind of found that there were some repairs that we could fix and a lot of repairs that we couldn't fix. And the biggest challenge is that their daughter has cerebral palsy. And what they really need help with is accessibility modifications, because none of the home hallways, doorways, bathrooms, etc. are handicap accessible. And it was the house was built in the early 1950s, and so it really just became too uneconomical to try to fix it, and it was going to be cheaper to just take the house down and start over and really build it with their real means in mind, which is handicap accessibility. And so that's what we're doing.
It's amazing. We're really looking forward to helping you guys with the project. This girl, the family that you're doing it for, Fernandez Family, she is cognitively completely her age of 14 years old, but her body is what's her challenge.
It's getting more challenging all the time. And you know, when she was little, it was easy for the parents to pick her up and to carry her around.
And now that she's getting older, it's a lot harder to help her in and out of the bathroom, and her wheelchair can't even go through the front door into their house. So this is going to be a huge blessing for them and really change their lives.